Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel in the comments, and share a video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at relationship between angles on a parallel line. So today we are going to look at vertically opposite angles. So this is what we are going to look at. Vertically opposite angles. On this diagram, we have angle A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So here, as you can see that we have two parallel lines, 1 and 2. And a transverse line this way cut across the two parallel lines. So this is a transverse line. It cuts across the two parallel lines. So, and it forms an angle at the intersection of each of these parallel lines called A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So here we can see that even from the angle in a straight line, we know that the summation of angle in a straight line equals to 180. If you have angle A plus angle B will be equals to 180 degrees from here. The same thing is angle C plus angle D will be equals to 180 degrees. So for us to identify vertically opposite angle on this figure, we see that angle A will be equals to angle D. Angle A equals to angle D. Reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. We can further prove that when we have A and D, we say they are equal. If you have this place as 30 degrees, this place will be 30 degrees. So now, for us, we've mentioned that when we add angle A and angle B, will give us 180. So here, if we add 30 plus angle B, will give us 180. So doing, 30 will be transposed into this other side. We'll have angle B equals to 180 minus 30. So our angle B will be equals to 150 degrees. So when we have this as 150 degrees, here, this is another straight line that cut across this line. We also use that the angle in a straight line is 180. So if we have this as 150 degrees, so we'll add 150 degrees plus angle D equals to 180. So angle D here will be 180 minus 150, which is 30 degrees. And we can see that this place has given us 30 degrees. Therefore, angle A and angle D, they are equal because opposite angles are equal on this. When two parallel lines are being cut with a transverse line, it means that the opposite angle on this line, they are equal. So we'll be able to prove that. So the same thing that we have on this other side of this angle, we see that angle G here equals to angle E. So we have angle G equals to angle E. Also, angle F equals to angle H. Then the remaining one is angle C equals to angle B. All of them meaning that vertically opposite angles are equal. So that is what it means on this diagram. When anytime a transverse line cut across two parallel lines, the opposite angles are equal. So the next one we are going to look at, number 2, is adjacent angles. So in this case, adjacent angles are not equal. Let's say adjacent angles are not equal. So what we are going to do, adjacent angles are supplementary. We made mention of this. So we have adjacent angles are supplementary. What it means that if we have, this is E, F, and this is E. This is A, and this is B. A equals to angle A is adjacent to angle B. Angle A is adjacent to angle B. While we have angle C is adjacent to angle D. Also, angle F is adjacent to angle E, while we have angle G is adjacent to angle H. They are not equal, but they are supplementary. What does this mean? Because they lie on the same straight line. And we made mention before that the summation of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. That is why we say it is supplementary. In this case, when we have, if we have A, as we said that A is adjacent to angle B. When we have angle A equals to 50 degrees, then B, they are not equal, they are supplementary, meaning that B will be 180 minus 50 degrees, which is 130 degrees. So supplementary meaning that 180 minus the other angle will give you this other angle. Whatever that we have on this other side, will subtract from 180 degrees, it will give you the other side. That is why we say it is supplementary. If therefore means that when you have for E here, If I have E here as 100 degrees, let's say E equals to 100 degrees. So the adjacent angle of E, which is F, will be 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, which will give us 80 degrees. So if this is 100 degrees, this one will be 80 degrees. And if this is 30 degrees, this one will give you 150 degrees, because they are supplementary, because they lie on the same straight line. And we say that the summation of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So even this way, you see that the transverse line cut across this way. If we have angle, let's say 60 degrees here, the angle here will be 180 minus 60 degrees, which will give us 120 degrees. So the angle that lies on the same straight line will be a summation of 180 degrees. That means adjacent angles are not equal, but adjacent angles are supplementary. So going forward, this is what we are going to use to solve our problem in angles and figures like this. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share a video for more interesting topics. Thank you.